In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your delivery address on Instacart efficiently and easily. So whether you're moving to a new place or want your groceries delivered to a different location, this guide has you covered. First, you'll want to head over to Instacart's homepage. You can do this by simply opening your preferred browser and typing in Instacart's web address, which is www.instacart.com. Arriving at the homepage, you'll likely see a familiar layout featuring various stores available for shopping and your recent activity. Next, shift your attention to your cart. If you haven't yet added items to your cart, now would be a great time to do that. But assuming you already have, go ahead and click on the cart icon. This icon is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Once you've clicked on your cart, you'll find an option labeled Go to Checkout. This is your cue to formalize the items you wish to purchase and make any necessary adjustments before proceeding further. Now find that Go to Checkout button and click on it. Now that you're in the checkout area, you'll see an option to change your address. You'll want to make sure you enter the correct address details here. Changing the delivery address at this stage is crucial, as it ensures your groceries will be delivered to the right spot. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to input your new address. As you update your address, double-check each entry for accuracy. This step saves you from potential delivery mishaps. Once you've settled on the correct address, it's time to click on the Select button. This action will confirm the address you want your groceries sent to. Once you click Select, you might notice some changes or confirmations appearing on your screen. Don't worry, it's all part of the system making sure your order is on the right track. When everything looks good with your address confirmed, the next step is to click on Continue. This button acts as a green light to proceed with your order and finalize your shopping choices. After clicking it, you're led to a summary page with everything neatly laid out for a last look over. Now you're ready to place your order. Simply click the Place Order button and the system will begin processing your request. You might see a placing order message pop up briefly, letting you know that your order is being handled. Finally, after a moment, you'll have the option to click Continue, which will guide you to the confirmation screen and show your order details. From there, you can rest easy knowing your groceries are expertly on their way to the new address you've so efficiently set. With that, you've now successfully changed your delivery address on Instacart.